The man loves me so much to the extent that he gave me a chieftaincy title Islamically. Unfortunately, IYABO Ojo was in that party. And that man, you know, experienced terrible attacks. And a lot of people did not even know that IYABO Ojo was behind part of people that operate Gist Lover. The bully was so much. So the man called me again that I should call ESABOD. I didn't know who ESABOD was. I didn't know. And I called. I thought I was speaking to an elderly woman. I never knew I was speaking to a fool, a non-entity failed spam. I spoke to her. She was recording me. I was extremely vulnerable then. Along the line, I think before that case, a man brought my case to Gist Lover. You know, the man brought my case. And if you see the way ESABOD was going back and forth, and they wanted me to release some secret about the man, which I did not. And those are the things that really helped me. My enemy was cyber kidnapped for many years. I could not talk. I was afraid of them. I understand Gist Lover must have DM Fina. You know, they must have. Gist Lover must have said some things. And that was the reason why you see they were selling IYABO Ojo to Fina. When Fina had issue, the Mohbad case, IYABO Ojo has not given us an accountability. For you to know that Fina's predicament has Gist Lover on that throne. Sure you understand? Sure you understand? Why is it that few days after Fina went to Obojapomofuro, UK, less than 48 hours, Fina spoke with LIZZY ANJORIN. His sister died, just like Mohbad matter. You don't understand? The moment, if you did not go to LIZZY ANJORIN, maybe your sister will still be alive. Because Gist Lover and IYABO Ojo will go to any length to get back at very dark man. I mean any length. Remember, it was Gist Lover that always be the first person to tell us what by people. In likes of Mr. Ibu. It's Gist Lover that used to have vulnerable photos of last moments of people. Someone like Gist Lover can get across to anybody. Anybody, any hospital, any nurse, any doctor, any lawyer, anybody, Gist Lover can get across to them. Fina, if you listen to this show, I understand it's only you that knows where it hurts. Everybody just say, oh, you are a betrayer, you are a betrayer. Of course you are a betrayer. But I imagine the kind of bully and fake advice Gist Lover would have Dongbo sent to you. If you've not gone to LIZZY ANJORIN, maybe your sister will still be alive. IYABO Ojo is in need of money. She's desperate. IYABO Ojo will go to any length to make money. And she will go to any length to get back at very dark man. Am I communicating? So Fina, it is well with you. I pray for you and your family. I pray for you and your family. You've never come for me. I was being insensitive with how I attacked you. I did not attack you because I hate you. I can never hate you because I've never seen you. And you never offended me in any form. So I have no reason to attack you. I was being pained because the day I saw you with LIZZY ANJORIN, I know your sister will not survive that case. Thank you. You love my hairstyle. Òun ni mò ń ṣe látàárọ̀. Orí gan fọ́ mi mo lọ sùn. Mo lọ lògùn. Irun náà le. You don't understand, Fina. So I pray for you and your family. But the truth is, deep down in you, Fina, you will know that very dark man is not your enemy. And very dark man stepped on tails of unspeakable dragons because of your sister. If Fina's hands are not clean towards her sister, that is Fina and her sister. That is Fina. Know something about me. I don't come for people that doesn't come for me. Remember the same thing I did during Sam Larry. What did I do? I call on Sam Larry and say, Sam Larry, if my provocative challenge chats offended you in any form, kindly forgive because you've never come for me. The moment I see Fina, I saw Fina with Lizzy Odeigbe. Odeigbe is working for IYABO Ojo now. You saw what they gang to do at Idumata. You saw how Shalanga Yansh of UK, Lizzy Odeigbe, you saw what she did during Idumata. She has never met me. She did not know me. She didn't even know my words. She just concluded because she and IYABO Ojo are working together. So the moment I saw Fina with her, I know that lady will die. The lady in hospital will die. And if you remember, did I say anything during the case? Did I say anything? Do you know why I didn't say anything during that case? Because I know that lady will die. I have told you, I once told you guys that the way this lover get hold of vulnerable pictures of people at their vulnerable moments, me, I did not trust any hospital or anybody in this Nigeria. DSS that in mo che fún DSS tó fẹ́ arrest mi ń jalè mi ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kí n má fún wọn lẹ̀. If you see if whenever Fina is one day Fina will become a speaker, Fina can never go to Lizzy Odeigbe. It is IYABO Ojo's doing under fake accounts. Is IYABO Ojo doing? Fina was never a friend with Lizzy Odeigbe. As you can see, the video story that used to fly on Gist Lover. Can you ever imagine that Davido's whatever P or something is inside WhatsApp group with IYABO Ojo? The day that lady had an accident, of course, IYABO Ojo to take over. And for you to know that it has IYABO Ojo on that tune, why are they selling IYABO Ojo to us? That IYABO Ojo would have done the case better. Why is it that IYABO Ojo don't do case of doctors better, case of lawyers better? Why is it that it has to do with cases of collecting donations? The one of Mohbad, she has not done it. And they already, the moment they start selling IYABO Ojo, that
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí ẹ bá ti wo fídíò yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ibi tí a wà yìí, a lérò wípé ẹ ti wo gbogbo rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni ẹ lérò nípa fídíò tí ẹ ṣẹ̀ wò tán yìí, nípa bí Lizzy Anjorin bí ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ nípa IYABO Ojo, very dark man, Fina àti gbogbo àwọn tí ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn? Kí lẹ lérò? Nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section ká lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ó dìgbà.